Here are 2 common mistakes that could risk your safety and cost you time when installing gas regulators. Installing the wrong regulator. Using the wrong type or a wrongly sized gas regulator won't get the job done. Your system's performance will suffer, or it won't perform at all. Problems will be performance related, and this would require further inspection and troubleshooting to resolve. You should check your system specs before ordering any regulator. This includes the inlet pressure to the regulator, the maximum outlet pressure to the appliance, the maximum flow rate, and the pipe size. Improper venting. There's 2 reasons gas regulators require proper venting. The first reason is that gas regulators need to move air in and move air out. This is how they breathe, and a restricted vent will cause a gas regulator to not perform. The second reason is that this allows the gas to be vented in case there's any system failures or emergencies. If there's no vent line or venting of any type in a closed space, that's a serious safety risk. Always vent your regulators properly and follow code. If vent lines are a hassle, you can consider using something like the NMT vent limiter assembly. This was designed to replace vent lines and cut down on installation time. Just keep in mind, not every application can use a vent limiter assembly, so always check your system requirements and local codes first. But whether you're using a traditional vent setup or a vent limiter assembly, it's always essential that venting is handled correctly. Now, if you're not sure which regulator fits your system, our free online sizing tool shows which regulators meet your pressure and capacity needs. It's an easy way to narrow down your choices. Just remember to check for any specific appliance requirements on your end. Avoid these 2 common gas regulator install mistakes, and you shouldn't need a redo. But if you have any questions about installing your gas regulator, contact our customer support team and an expert will be ready to answer your questions.